Hello Internet, how are you doing today? My name is Brian, if you are new here, and today is a day I've been waiting for since June, ever since WWDC 2024 kicked off and they announced Apple Intelligence. I have been waiting on one feature and I really wanted to do a video on this one feature, and that is Genmoji. So today we are going to be testing out the iPadOS 18.2 update, the beta update for Genmoji. I'm super excited to be testing out this new feature. I have been testing out iOS 18.2 and 18.1 for a while now. I have 18.1 on my iPhone right now, and the Apple Intelligence is interesting. It's not like groundbreaking or anything, but I really do think that the Genmoji features on iOS 18.2 and iPadOS 18.2 are really going to be features that people are going to really enjoy. So that is what we are going to be doing in today's video. I'm super excited about that. I literally have a list of emojis that I want to do. I'm going to be doing this on my iPad because I didn't want to put the beta on my phone because I've literally had issues putting betas on my phone before, so we're not doing that. We're not doing that this year. So the iPad is going to be the sacrifice. So right now I have the Messages application opened up on my iPad, and we're going to test out Genmoji for the first time on camera. In order to access Genmoji, you hit the emoji button right here at the bottom, and then right here on the side there's this little plus emoji button. So we press that, and then we get Genmoji. Help Apple improve Apple Intelligence. So obviously this is the beta, so it wants me to share feedback and whatever. This is the Genmoji application right here. You can express yourself, describe the Genmoji you want to create with a few words, personalize Genmoji by choosing someone in your contacts as a point of reference for your Genmoji, and use Genmoji like emoji, add to messages, respond to a tapback, or share as a sticker. Anyways, we are going to hit continue, and we're going to start that. And here is the Genmoji keyboard. Start with a few words or a phrase that best describes your idea. What is our first emoji we're going to be doing? It's going to be an iced coffee emoji. So we're going to type in ice, and then we are going to hit done. And it's going to think, oh, that's interesting. Okay, so there's one. There is another one right here. There's one right there. Okay. So there's a bunch of different ones you can do. What the fuck is that? That's really awful. What is that? I like this one right here. So I think we're going to do this one. I like this one. So we're going to tap this and add this. And voila, we have our Genmoji right there. I can literally send this as an emoji to someone. There is my iced coffee emoji for the first time. It looks super cool. That is our first emoji, which I think that is pretty cool. Now that we know possibilities, let's get creative. Let's do some really cool and interesting emojis for you guys. And I want to do a side-eye emoji because I'm always side-eyeing people in my life, and I feel that would be something to send to people because, like, hello, some people deserve a side eye. So I'm going to type in side eye, and we're going to see what side eye brings us. Oh, what the hell is that? What? Oh my god, that is awful. What the hell is that? That's even more awful. Oh. Girl, what are you doing? What? That's not even a side eye. So we're going to hit add. We're going to add that one as an emoji too. That's not even a side eye. Like, so the side-eye emoji was an absolute bust. So I'm going to do something different. We're going to do a different emoji. So we're going to do an angry crying face. So let's just see what happens when we do angry crying emoji. That's just sad. That's even sadder. These are not good. What the hell? This is just depression. What the hell? Maybe we need to reset it. Oh, there we go. That one. I like this one. I think this is the winner right here. This one. Here we go. This is our angry crying face. We're going to add it. Okay, so it's definitely in beta, so I'm not like too mad that it's not getting it right, but it's a little bit disappointing because like we've only had two emojis that have actually come out pretty good. Like the iced coffee emoji was good and this angry crying emoji, but it took a long time just to get it. So it's a little bit weird. So I'm going to go to another one. So the other one I want to do is I want to do a skeleton emoji. Let's see if it brings her up. Let's just see if this works. Oh, he's kind of cute. I like him. Oh, I like that one too. That one's pretty cool as well. Okay, now we're getting some good ones. Oh my god, wait, he's cute. He's adorable. Okay, this is our skeleton emoji for sure. That is so cute. I love that one. That's adorable. I wish that the skull and the rib cage were the same color, but that's pretty cute. Okay, that's pretty cute. So we're going to do one more on camera, and then I'm just going to generate a bunch of them and show them to you guys. So, and I think the one I want to do is I want to do an iPhone. Hard to describe something different. Smart. Let's just type in smartphone and see what happens when I type in smartphone. Okay, that's kind of cute. What in the Android?
Oh, a stylus, right? We're gonna use a stylus.
No.
Who wants a stylus?
Oh my god, generating Android phones. What? Apple, what are you doing? Okay, that's me. That's mood. I need to keep this one. So that was kind of interesting how it was generating like Android user interfaces. I don't know what it was doing, but the cracked phone screen, that one's kind of iconic. Like I have to use that one. That kind of is Genmoji for you guys. So I'm actually going to generate a few off camera and then come back and then show you you guys the results. You kind of have to describe it, and you have to kind of give it time to do what you want. You definitely want to be given the feedback of the thumbs up and the thumbs down. It's pretty interesting how it does it, and I like how it's all in the emoji style. The nice thing about it is it's not like generating like emojis that look like on the Samsung or would look like on the Pixel. It's definitely in the iPhone line of emojis. I think it's pretty cool. It's just, it needs some work. I generated a couple of new emojis for you guys, and I want to show you guys them because I think that some of them are really freaking cute. The first emoji is a golden retriever emoji. I love this one. This one is super cute. It's adorable. This is like perfect. I love it. Next one is a black sparkle emoji. Are you kidding me? This is beautiful. It's the most gorgeous emoji ever, and I'm gonna be using this like every single freaking day. The next emoji I wanted to do is I wanted to do some AirPods, but unfortunately I noticed whenever you type in like an Apple product's name, it won't generate an image. But if you type in like earpods or something like that, or like a tablet, it would do this. I think that's pretty cool. Next one I wanted to do is I wanted to do an angry kissy face because I feel like that's just like necessary in life. And this is really good. I like this one. I love how it's blushed and it's like mad and like sweating, but I love that. That is beautiful. And then the last one is a dog sipping an iced coffee emoji. I mean, this is the perfect emoji. This is literally beautiful. I don't know why, but I find that so freaking funny how it's like just a dog sipping an iced coffee, living its best life. Like this is exactly what I wanted Genmoji to do. So that pretty much is Genmoji for you guys. I think this is really fun. I think this is a really fun feature. So that is it for today's video of exploring iOS 18.2 and exploring Genmojis. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you did like it, be sure to hit that button down below and subscribe and click the notification bell to get notifications on whenever I upload next. You can also follow me on all the social medias. Links are going to be down in the description down below and also right here. So yeah, I shall see you guys in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.